A day after he switched loyalties and moved to the BJP, the CBI raided former Mayawati Minister Babu Singh Kushwaha. An FIR has been filed against him in the National Rural Health Mission scam. An embarrassed BJP now claims that the raids are a Congress BSP plot. Sumit Pandey and Shreya Dhondial with more.
Will this man be the biggest embarrassment for the BJP in UP polls? A day after former Mayawati key aide Babu Singh Kushwaha was inducted by the party at its national headquarters in full media glare, he was named as one of the main accused in the NRHM scam. CBI conducted raids at 60 places in UP, Haryana and Delhi, recovering gold and cash from premises of those allegedly close to Kushwaha.
Sir, you've been carrying out the raids since when? Yeah, since morning, but I'm not authorized.
मैं किसी भी तरह की जांच का सामना करने के लिए तैयार हूं। मैं निष्पक्ष साबित होऊंगा।
A visibly embarrassed BJP top brass went into a huddle. A retreat now, as they did with DP Yadav in 2004, could be counterproductive. So the BJP did the next best thing: deny Kushwaha a party ticket, but play the caste card.
मैं अंतिम सांस तक उनका साथ दूंगा, लेकिन अगर वो भ्रष्टाचार में लिप्त होंगे तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी उनका साथ नहीं देगी।
For the BJP, offense is the best defense. The party, using the Kushwaha factor, will try to reach out to the OBC Koiri vote bank in the state. But the question remains whether this will also not cost BJP its core urban constituency in UP. A section of the party, though, is clearly upset, including LK Advani, who rode a rath recently to campaign against corruption. For the Congress, though, it's an opportunity to strike back.
He should be ashamed of himself for inducting a minister of the BSP government who is being investigated by the CBI for a scam of over 5,000 crores.
Watching all this chaos is the Congress party. The more all the opposition parties squabble amongst themselves, the better the Congress chance of getting new votes. With Shreya Dhondial in Lucknow, in New Delhi, Sumit Pandey.
And meanwhile, the UP State BJP Working Committee member IP Singh has now been suspended after he spoke out against the top brass's decision to induct Kushwaha into the party. Here's the comment that led to his suspension.
ये पार्टी की तरफ से ये ब्लंडर है, इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी को इसको रिव्यू करना चाहिए और बाबू सिंह कुशवाहा को तत्काल बाहर का रास्ता दिखाना चाहिए।